Weeds in the cracks of my driveway and sidewalk have been a pain to get rid of. They're hard to pull out by hand, and you really want to get the roots because that's what's going to cause more damage to the driveway and sidewalk and create more cracks. Even some tough, spiky weeds in parts of my garden can be hard to remove as well. I tried this little tool right here called Lawn Jaws, and it's been a game changer for me. It does just look like a pair of pliers, and maybe you could use a pair of pliers, but what I like about these is that the inside has what they're calling shark teeth, and they do a great job at gripping the weeds so you can pull them up. It is easier to use this tool to remove weeds in the ground, as you can see. And for the cracks in the driveway or sidewalks, I've used weed scrapers before and they can do a decent job, but a lot of the times the roots get left behind. So with these, as you can see, you might need to work on a weed a bit more to pull up the roots, but with each pull, you can get a decent amount of the weed out and eventually get the roots out. And when you do, it's very satisfying. And it definitely saves my fingertips from scraping against the cement or damaging my gloves. Even nice work gloves can get scuffed badly, but also gloves can sometimes be too bulky for this task, so this has been a very useful tool for me.